Good morning, everybody. I'm meteorologist Madi Baggett. So we're going to try something a little bit different over the next couple of mornings. We're going to try to do this around 8:45, 8:50, and if you hear talking in the background, it's because we're live and at the top of the hour and in the middle of the hour, Damon will be doing his forecast. So any other noise like that, that's what it's on. That's what's going on. We're doing some live TV over here. So right now we're just getting a look at what's happening outside. It's pretty mild on our U.2 cam, a little bit of some traffic out there. And you can see in that bottom right-hand corner, that's what we're getting as far as programming. So that's pretty cool. Yep, definitely live out there this morning. So it is right now a relatively calm start. We're already starting to see some higher terrain pockets form. Over the past couple of days, it's been primarily isolated across southern Utah, but we are going to continue to see that extend farther northward, even as high as Utah County. As far, I should say, even as north as Utah County. So throughout the stream, if you want to ask me questions of your particular area, if you have any events going on, I'll do my very best to see what I can find in the future cast, and we'll go through there. So, interesting stuff. We have a hurricane currently, Lorena, that's has the potential to bring in some preset for the weekend. So we'll take a look at that and also what areas are going to be at high risk out there today. So let's get going on this. All right, so right now, satellite and radar just picking up some light to moderate precip across the higher terrain. Very similar situation to what we've been dealing with over the past couple of days, except a little bit more cloud cover impacting northern Utah, seeing some light to moderate showers moving throughout western portion of the state, impacting a little bit there for southern Tooele as well, and then all across southern Utah and even there into Grand and San Juan, we're starting to see some light to moderate showers. And you can see that monsoon moisture coming in from the tropics there. And this is Lorena. It is currently at a Category 1 status, moving with sustained winds at 75 miles per hour. So it's a low grade Cat 1. Expected to be downgraded out there today, but over the next several, it will be impacting the Baja Peninsula, bringing then some showers and possibly some flooding and dangerous out there for mudslides as well throughout Mexico. So not really impacting us very much as far as any kind of detrimental weather, but it will be bringing in some moisture and potentially causing some flooding across northern Arizona and southern Utah. So there it is. Oh, it's already been downgraded. Okay. So it's 70 miles per hour. It's a Cat 1 at 74. So downgraded back down to a tropical storm. It's slow moving northwest at 8 miles per hour. So into early tomorrow morning, really impacting the Baja Peninsula. And then by Saturday, we'll gradually see that track northward, bringing in some widespread showers to Arizona and then potentially us. So we are well into our way into the Eastern Pacific hurricane season. Ooh, let me hide me. Hold on. There we go. We're already at Lorena. And just taking a quick look at what's happening for the Gulf and the Atlantic hurricane season, they do have, it's been pretty slow moving actually. Not really much of an impact with what's happening as far as the Atlantic hurricane season. It's been pretty mild, but if this becomes anything, if this particular named storm, becomes something, it will be known as Gabrielle, and that is expected to form at least within the next week, probably within the next 2 to 4 days. We'll see something really significant there. All right, let's get in a little bit closer to home, shall we? So I'm going to take this back a little bit. Just some cloud cover right now, and we did see some higher terrain pockets. Good morning, everybody. Brian. Brian is commenting from my old market in Johnstown. Scattered showers here in Johnstown, PA. Little bit of some different weather there, Brian, but thank you for your comment. All right, let's get going here. So just some higher terrain showers forming, and then definitely picking up the potential for some valley moisture by midday, all the way through Utah County. We're seeing a little bit of some isolated pockets, and then definitely for severe San Pete, Paiute picking up some heavier showers there as well. Also, if you wanted to see current temperatures, Damon's on live right now. Just saying. So this is into early tomorrow morning. Very similar pattern, starting off a little bit on the cooler side actually tomorrow morning. Partly cloudy skies, and then some afternoon showers. Not really making it north of Utah County yet again tomorrow. And then central Utah looks to be a little bit soggy as well, but actually today's showers for central Utah look to be more prominent than tomorrow's, which is a little bit different than yesterday. So high pressure will continue to weaken across the Four Corners region today. Getting some showers this is our Euro model, by the way. I showed you the HERB model before. And then mid to late day tomorrow, once again, mainly higher terrain showers. And then Saturday, that's going to be our best chance for any precip closer to the valleys. Not a complete washout, but I'll go through the timing again. Waking up to partly cloudy skies, starting to pick up a few showers. It does appear maybe into Salt Lake there. But once again, primarily just south of Utah County. And then Sunday starting off dry, some higher terrain showers. Okay, so yeah, looking better for Sunday, that's for sure. And then that high is just going to build back in. You see that ridging there, that arch, that rainbow that the jet makes. That's your high pressure. So it just looks like Saturday could be potentially problematic. But once again, not a complete washout. Definitely nothing to cancel your plans over. So today, potential hazardous areas, marginal, isolated flash floods. So anywhere from about a 5 to 10% of those showers causing some issues kind of within a time frame of like 30 to 60 minutes. Hotspots again today. And then tomorrow, looks like Zion could be potentially problematic there. All right, everybody. That's going to wrap it up for me this morning on this this particular platform. I'll be going live at 11, and Damon is live for the next hour. So if you wanted to get your temperatures and any kind of currents, you can tune in to Fox 13 online and on air. So I hope everybody has a good Thursday. I'm excited. Tomorrow's Friday. That's going to be a good time. I'm tired this week. I moved last week, so I'm exhausted. Time to sleep. All right, everybody. Have a good day. If it's letting me end.